Listen up, it's the secret sauce. What is something that's working for you right now in your business that you think maybe other owners could implement into their businesses to help their businesses grow?
I would say for anyone that's attended, number one, I know there's pros and cons to unattended versus attended. For us, attended makes sense. That's the business model that we're going to pursue. Customer service, doing the little things, getting to know the people's names, opening doors for them. If you see them walking in, carrying a wash basket out, anything that you can do to make their life getting in and out and then inside the mat any easier, you do it. If they leave, this may be controversial, but if they leave, a lot of times my partners will take their laundry, they'll put it in the dryer and they'll dry it for them so that when they come back, that way the machine isn't tied up, but yet they can get back, their washer or their clothes are dry and they just pay us for the dry, so maybe charge a little extra if they want to give a tip or something, they do, but it's the little things that really knowing the customers, knowing how you can serve them better, I think is key. I honestly believe that is the number one key to our success at this point, because word is spreading like wildfire now that we have a clientele base.
Yeah, that customer service. I mean, it is key, and it kind of goes back to that whole, it's an extension of their home, right? Yep. Is you just want them to feel comfortable and want them to feel known, want them to feel cared about. And, that's what customer service is, right? It's just making people feel known and cared about and wanted, and
here's a little tip too that my partner came up with, because when we were looking at the square footage of the store is only about 1,800 square feet. And we minimized machines. We had it jam packed. We were like, this isn't going to work. We need folding tables. We need, different things. So we backed off the number of machines. And we were like, what are we going to do with seating? We have folding seats. Instead of taking a hard plastic mount that's going to take up a fixed space, we put folding tables all around those. And the customers love it because they can take the seat, they can put it right in front of their washer, their dryer, and they can just sit there and do whatever right in front of it. It works out great. And I would have never thought of it. My partner was like, simple solution. And it's been phenomenal. But something I would have never thought of.
Yeah, just like folding chairs.
Folding chairs. That's
I was like picturing something like mounted to the wall that folds down or something. But
no.
Like,
folding
grab
chairs.
A folding chair and plop it where you want to plop it. Just stay out of people's way. Yeah,
exactly.
Oh.
Yep. Easy to wipe down afterwards. Right now with COVID, when they leave, we're cleaning the store constantly. So, but it just another way to utilize space in an effective manner.
Yeah, that's an awesome tip. I like that, especially for those smaller laundromats that. Again, that's more of like an attended, store.
Definitely. Oh, without a doubt.
I've had full on benches bolted to the ground, literally, that somehow walked off. I don't know, man. People are creative.
and the poor gumball machine.
Yeah. Oh gosh, man. My poor son. He's been a little gun shy to get back into the gumball business, but
understandable.
Okay. Well, hey man, awesome secret sauce. And I think that those are things that everybody can utilize. And even if you are an unattended store, you can still focus on customer service. It may not be direct face-to-face customer service, but thinking of little things that you can do to make the customer experience better, to make things easier for the customer, to keep things cleaner, to keep things safer, all of those things, I would say fall into that category of customer service. So even if you're not an attended store, you can still think about customer service and making your customers have a good experience at your laundromat. So awesome secret sauce.